Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. I hope everyone is doing well. All right, you guys, this is my first harvest of collard greens for the winter season, you guys, in March. Now, we all know that we got hit with that frost this year for what, 2 to 3 days, and it just wiped out everybody's crops. Well, I was one of the ones that got wiped out of her crops, and most of them was my brassicas, my collards, tender greens, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, you name it. I got wiped out. So what I was able to salvage, this is what I was able to get. And you guys know I usually have Jurassic Park collard greens. That was not the case this year. So I'm just going to be grateful for the batch that I did get. And I also still have some growing out there as of now. They are going to seed. I'm probably going to cut back the seeds to try to get as much collard green leaves as possible before they go into fully blown seed pods. So this is what it's looking like. I'm calling this my pollen collard green harvest because the pollen is thick out there. In my household, everybody is taking Benadryl. It's actually affecting me as well with sneezing and coughing. It is definitely thick. We also supposed to be getting some rain within this evening and tomorrow, and everybody is hoping that is the case so that we can wash away some of this pollen. So everybody hopefully get to feeling a little bit better. But spring is definitely in the air right now. And we are getting ready to go into our second week of March. I think our last frost date is going to be April 1st in zone 8A. Not sure about other people's zone, but you can check that on the internet to find out what is your last frost date. So hopefully after that, SEK, the homesteader, will be on grind mode, sowing her seeds directly. I'm also getting ready to sow some seeds indoor. I have been doing yard work for about 2 weeks now. We did a lot of cleaning up. We're cutting grass right now. We're picking up raised beds right now. We're just really doing a lot of shifting to get ready for this spring, summer growing season. And I'm wishing that everyone has a wonderful growing season this year. I look forward to seeing everyone's projects that they're going to be doing, any kind of transformation that they're going to be doing in their yard. I look forward to seeing everybody this coming summer. And as I said before, SEK has been extremely busy working on 2 gardens, 2 special gardens, you guys. And I can't wait to reveal those 2 gardens to you guys. But again, I've been super busy. That's one of the reasons why you haven't been seeing me as much on the homestead. And I've also been super busy building my other channel up, Crazy Quilting Crafts with SEK. I know I've been dropping a lot of videos on the homesteading page because I still have my playlist with my crafts and my DIY. So I've been trying to share those videos with you guys to get you guys to come over and get ready for these tutorials that I'm about to do. And I do hope you guys have been enjoying a lot of the crafting that I have gotten done over the fall and winter months. I definitely been on grind mode when it came to my crafting this season. So all right, you guys, SEK getting ready to get some turkey necks on, some smoked turkey necks on, so that I could get these collard greens cooked up. I gotta clean them really good with some water, some salt to get all the grit, the pollen off of them, and then these bad boys is getting ready to go in the pot. So thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys really, really soon. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Peace.